Hey guys, it's your girl Reese coming to you with my finished meal. I did not record it because it was a lot of noise in the house, and y'all have seen me cook this before. Just wanted to come and show you guys what I am cooking today. We have mixed greens, which is collards, turnips, and mustards. We have cornbread. We have oxtails with onion and bell pepper. We have scalloped potatoes, which I mixed 3 boxes, which is the jalapeno and cheddar, the au gratin, and the scalloped potatoes together. And we have fried chicken and rice. So this is it, you guys. I have a sweet potato pie that I'm going to eat for dessert. And the kids are going to make ice cream sundaes. I thank y'all for watching. It's your girl Risa Ree. Bye, sugar.